Welcome to the exclusive preview of bonus video number 3 in our digital course for credit repair business owners, ChatGPT for credit repair. You know, crafting persuasive dispute letters is a critical task in credit repair, but it can be a daunting and time-consuming process. Your letters need to be professional, they need to be persuasive, and they can't have any errors. But how do you write the perfect letter every single time? Most people don't know. Well, we do. Using templates from your disputing software is not going to get you the results that you want because eOscar has already flagged them. They flag them as frivolous because they're used over and over and over. So, you know, starting at a blank page and struggling to find the right words can also be frustrating. An ineffective letter can mean the difference between a successful dispute or an unresolved issue. So the stakes are really high and you need a tool that helps you craft letters with precision and with confidence. So in bonus video number 3, we're going to give you a guide to crafting persuasive dispute letters using AI, tailored specifically for credit repair professionals just like you. So in this exclusive screen share video, Chris O'Connell, he's going to walk you through the 6 key components that make a really highly effective letter. He'll show you how to utilize a powerful prompt framework to create professional and highly compelling letters. You're going to gain invaluable insights on maintaining tone, cohesiveness, and ensuring your letters are officially documented. All of these things are really important, and when this lesson is over, you'll be able to quickly generate powerful dispute letters harnessing the power of ChatGPT. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, enroll in our course today, and I will see you on the inside.